Hello and welcome. Today we are going to deal with history chapter, the age of industrialization. Industrial revolution is usually defined as the fundamental changes in the means of production. I know big words, fundamental changes, means of production. Relax, don't worry. We are going to make this easy. Basically, what used to happen is in the past, the goods were handmade. The production was done using manual labor. Now, these laborers were being replaced by machines. So, a lot of the production was done by the machines. Now, this happened between 1750 to 1850. And England was called the mother of the Industrial Revolution. Let's see why. Let's get into the chapter. Let's look at some of the major factors of the age of industrialization. Geographical location of England made a big difference in the Industrial Revolution because it was separated from mainland Europe, and climatic condition was perfect because it was humid, which was favorable for textile factories. Looking at the availability of capital, they had lots of money because England was getting a lot of profit from their trade with India and America, which made it easy for them to buy machineries. People were willing to take risk and invest in new discoveries and new techniques, which made a big difference. Not just availability of money and location made a big difference, but also availability of natural resources had a great impact. Now, England had large deposits of coal, iron, and mineral fuels. During the 18th century, England saw increase in population, and the landless farmers used to migrate to the towns in search of jobs. So they had lots of labor with them. Looking at the scientific and technological knowledge, it was growing day by day. Scientists was being supported by rulers, and because of the invention of machines, there was establishment of factory system. Let's look at the entire thing again. We had geographical location, availability of capital, availability of natural resources like coal and iron, availability of labor, and the scientific and technological knowledge. Okay, that's the background of it. Now let's look at the invention of the Industrial Revolution. Invention of steam power developed the factory system because it was used in industries such as textile, iron, and coal. Because of the favorable climate and all the other reasons I have mentioned just a while ago, England was called the workshop of the world. Let's see some of the inventions. Cotton gin was invented by Ellie Whitney. What did it do? It separated raw cotton from its seeds. Spinning jenny was invented by James Hargreaves, and it used to spin about 8 threads at the same time. Water frame was discovered by Richard Arkwright, and it is to spin stronger and firmer threads. And it was cost effective. Why? Because it was operated with water. Mule, it was invented by Samuel Crompton, and it did similar thing what the other machines used to do, but it was faster than the earlier machines. Flying shuttle, it was invented by John Kay. This machine used to double the amount of work a weaver could do in a day. And finally, power loom. It was invented by Edmund Cartwright. It was fast, it was efficient, and it was operated with water. And then moving on to the iron and coal industries. Abraham Darby invented coke smelting in 1709. Now, charcoal at that time was becoming scarce and was more expensive. So it was replaced with coal. Sir Humphrey Davy invented for the miners working in the coal mines. This lamp issued a warning to the miners when the level of carbon dioxide used to increase in mines and there was danger to their lives. So that's it for today. I know there are new words and names out there. Maybe you can watch it again. Hit that subscribe button and let me know whether you enjoyed this class. Take care. Thank you very much.